And of course I'll have the weekend.
We'll discuss this later. We mustn't bore the ladies.
What is a weekend?
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Labor Day. Hope you guys enjoy it and have a good weekend. That opening scene was from Downton Abbey. My wife and I really enjoyed that during COVID, the first 3 seasons at least. And that scene makes me crack up. But I want to share a little story with you guys, see if you can relate. And you're probably wondering about the title. And my thought process was, recently I switched to deliveries during the day at my job. I'm doing a day route, specific route, delivering booze. So it's very physical, right? 200 to 500 some cases every day on a 2-wheeler. My schedule is, we do work 410s per the union. So it's a Tuesday through Friday schedule. And during the week, I'm hydrating all the time, right? I'm drinking a ton of water. I'm getting a lot of steps, a lot of physical exercise activity. And then the weekend seems to come and my water consumption goes almost to zero, right? You drink a little bit of alcohol, we're not getting drunk, just, a couple little Smirnoffs here and there, whatever, right? To, relax, enjoy. And the step count goes way down. it's every weekend, right? It's like that. And then you got to rehydrate, Sunday, Monday, I'm like drinking water, trying to rehydrate, right? Get prepared for the week. But I wanted to share my step count on the iPhone. It's got like this fitness app, and the computer, the camera, it might be a little bit blurry, but you can see Mondays are here, and my schedule, like I said, if you can see for the past 3 weeks, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I'll click into just last week, Tuesday, 14,000 steps. Wednesdays and Thursdays are my heaviest days, almost 18,000 steps Wednesday. Thursday, 15,000 steps. Fridays are a little bit lighter, almost 12,000 steps. And then you can see Saturday, 1,700 steps, I'm on the computer gaming, doing YouTube or whatever. Sunday is a little bit better. We usually go for a walk or something to the mall or to the park after church, 6,000. And, it's Labor Day morning, but 180 steps. We're about to go for a walk, but yeah, I wanted to, and I keep telling myself, Saturday comes, I tell myself to wake up early, start drinking water, continue to drink water throughout the weekend. What is a weekend? But no, man, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you experience the same thing on your weekend, whether it's a 2-day weekend, 3-day weekend, what have you? Are you going through that, especially kind of you delivery drivers, physical work people throughout the week? Let me know. Are you experiencing the same battle? Hope all is well, guys. As always, God bless.